Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Peel a potato, chop it up, put it in a blender with half a cup of water and blitz until it has formed a smooth liquid. When your stew has cooked down and the meat is soft enough, add the potato water to the stew and stir through over medium heat until the potato tastes cooked and stew has thickened.
Take our lead.
But traditionally coating the beef with the flour is the way to go, and there are several reasons for this. The flour helps brown the meat better, the browned flour enhances the flavor of the sauce, and it also enhances the surface texture of the meat.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Always thicken at the end. Some of the ingredients might break down and thicken the stock slightly anyway. I like to use roux for beef stew because it adds flavor. Cook equal parts flour and oil over medium heat until it turns light brown and gives off a nutty aroma.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.